Welcome, everyone, and thank you so much for your time today. I'm thrilled to share with you Narratize, an AI-native platform designed to accelerate innovation and enable it across manufacturing and advanced industries. I'm Katie Trauth Taylor, CEO and co-founder of Narratize AI. It was founded 4 years ago after we had essentially tuned an AI model around best practices in cross-functional collaboration and communication as part of product development and research and development. The result is we're working with incredible companies from Cal and Boeing to Comcast and many others to help those product development and research and development teams launch products to market faster. And part of the backstory of Narratize, about 3-4 years ago, we were tapped as one of the first 7 developer ambassadors at OpenAI, thanks to some of this groundbreaking research we had done on predictive language modeling. And based on our partnerships and understanding of how innovation communications happens across industries. And from that engagement, Narratize was born. And today we are supporting amazing teams, helping them save time and refocus their energy on more strategic and innovative work. And I'll share a little bit more about what that means. But let me share with you a bit about why Narratize is so special, not just for professionals in product development, but where we're starting to see expansion even into, again, from R&D or innovation teams through product dev and into even commercialization and manufacturing workflows. Narratize is an AI that prompts you. It pulls your insights and enables the organization overall to capture the real-time insights of their people. To the people within your organization, Narratize is a powerhouse assistant helping them create everything from a strong product requirements document or market intelligence report, all the way through to fully designed slide decks with the right technical story around a pitch or a project status update. Narratize helps teams analyze complex scientific and technical insights, pulling it from individual contributors across your organization, but also from existing market literature. So in Narratize, you can search through millions of peer-reviewed publications. You can collect competitive intelligence across your competitors' sites and generate evidence tables, literature reviews, and AI-generated analyses within a few minutes, work that used to take 100+ hours. Then you can capture these insights and pull them into project plans, pitches, technical insights, and all of the documentation that's really required to help teams accelerate through a product development cycle. What's so exciting is the advances that our team is making in referenceability of data and insights, especially for larger enterprises as you're training your own models and you're looking to make AI usable and accessible to teams across their use cases. And you're also looking for the best ways to structure that knowledge, that content-based knowledge through metadata and enable it to help train your model. The seamless usability of Narratize stacks right into that strategy and helps your teams capture those insights at scale and then learn from them securely and privately over time. I'm most excited about all of the advanced knowledge architecture and data architecture that Narratize is achieving. And this is where our partnership has been adding such tremendous value. So for example, at Cal, research and development professionals are using Narratize to craft project plans, research and development presentations for global leadership, scientific posters, and more. And at Boeing, product development teams are able to use Narratize to write pitches, technical briefs, and requirements. We're excited to be growing and scaling and seeing the results of this work compared to assistant-style searchable AI assistants like ChatGPT or some of the tuned GPT models that most companies are relying on today. Most of the research that's getting conducted on Narratize as compared to some of those assistants is quite exciting in terms of the productivity, the effectiveness of the work that's being generated, and the way that this overall can help move innovation forward. Our ask as members of the Startup Exchange to you as ILP members is introductions to our next innovative partners. We treat our clients with the deepest partnership, and we look to help build the customizations on top of the Narratize platform that are going to help your R&D and product teams, whether you're in CPG, engineering, oil and energy, automotive, aerospace, machinery. This is a cross-industry solution, and it's designed uniquely to help you accelerate speed to market and grow your vitality index. I would love for you to try Narratize today. You can get started. There's a 7-day free trial, and also meet with us if you're ready to start exploring teams or enterprise packages. And thank you again for your time. I hope we can connect on LinkedIn and continue the conversation.
Katie, thank you so much. And good to see on your connections with ILP and other partners that you're excited about, as you've mentioned. So again, everyone, please post your questions to the Q&A tab. But in the meantime, let me start. Can you summarize what are some of the key propositions or value propositions from Narratize?
Yes. So the number one today, we look to, we measure with most of our customers revenue gains through speed through their product development cycles. So we're measuring if your typical cycle is 90 days, how do we cut it down to 12, to 4 weeks or 6 weeks through automated documentation. That's one of the biggest ones. The bigger picture KPIs we're tracking with customers are growth in vitality index and competitive positioning in the market. And then for most of our customers, of course, we're tracking productivity gains, right? You saw that 9 hours time saved per person per week. That's important, right? And we need to make sure that everyone sees, hey, this is speeding people up. It's giving them superpowers. But at the end of the day, growing the actual competitive advantage of your organization and putting the superior products into the market faster than competitors, that's the bigger picture value proposition of Narratize.
Thank you. That makes
sure
sense, very timely. And so connected to that, what are some things that you're excited about with AI and what you can bring up? I know you have a new partner also, and you're part of the library. So tell us a little more what you are excited about.
Yeah, moving into 2025, we're only going to be increasing our knowledge and data architecture capabilities, integration potentials within enterprise or mid-market tech stacks. So being able to very seamlessly stack into the tuning models that you're probably investing in as an organization. And so I'm so thrilled about that. I'm thrilled because one of the biggest pain points we hear is the challenge of working with unstructured data. And the challenge of capturing real-time content-based knowledge and being able to grow upon it. So, for example, as people who are luminaries and they've published several patents in their career, as they look towards retirement, how do you ensure that you're capturing their insights for future generations, that those insights are queryable and referenceable? And we need to start doing that today, and we need to start doing it in a streamlined way. And good news is, if you're making that a wonderful user experience that's integrated into people's workflows, you're going to do that. You're going to achieve that type of culture change required of AI so much more seamlessly. So I'm thrilled about being part of that, and all of the new capabilities in AI toolkitting that make that possible.
Fantastic. Thank you, Katie.